First, use this soft roller, measure this oval bottle circumference. 这什么稿？在哪里？ circumference here.
84。
This oval bottle circumference is 84.
周长84。
Then measure short axis, long axis.
长轴。
Short axis, long axis.
长轴。
This is a long axis.
长轴31.5。
long axis is 31.5. 写吧。
第一个是长轴是吧？
这个短轴。Yeah. Then measure the bottle short axis.
然后短轴。
Short axis.
20.5。
20.5. Then measure. Use. You can see this bottle shape should be match this line. If match, you can see. If match, if match, this one will be number here. Now this one R1 is 7. 第一个 match. This line number is 7是不是 ？is 7，是不是7？R1。
我才7度，可能不是7度。
快点。
行，就这样吧。
7。
然后再转轴。
这是 R2 是吧？
R2。
Then this is R2. R2 you need to match here. Match. This one, the bottle shape need to match the line. This is 多少？10、20、22。Yeah, it's 22.
然后 R1 弧长。
Now then, R1 arc length.
大概这么多，大概10吧。
You can see from here, from this side, this length, 8. 一半。除以2。Yeah, then 8. This length, from this length to this length, 8. Then R1 arc length, put 8 divided 2, put 4 here. Then R2 arc length from here to here, it's 3. It's 3. Put 1.5是不是？ 3. Put 1.5. 1.5 here. 1.5. 1.5啊。
34
啊。It is 30. Yeah, then 15. 好，可以了。Then press create can. Then you can change see. 怼一下嘛，比一下嘛。You can see.
然后再改一下参数。
That you can see this bottle match. Should be match. Match. If not match, Microsoft 调的哪些参数啊？
这一条它不够圆嘛，它上面不够。
It minus. So you need this one.
这个长啦。
this green too much.
然后这个也长啦。
改吧。 A little bit change. Then create can. You can see it will be changed automatically. Then you match again. Match again. Now almost okay. Then change. You can see here. All of this no minus or zero. Then will be okay.